Here we go, folks. All right. Welcome to class, guys. We're going to be talking about our transition words. We all know about our transition words, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, perfect. Mateo, can you name me a transition word?
First.
First. Could you name me another one, Olive?
Then.
Yeah. Malcolm, could you name me one more?
Left.
Yeah, good job, class. Those are all transition words. Now, today we're going to do a writing assignment. We're going to write sentences about our spring break using our transition words. So, first question I have for you is, how was your spring break? Mateo, why don't you tell me 3 things you did on your spring break using your transition words?
But first, I hiked up a mountain.
Hold on, Malcolm. You got to listen to Mateo.
First, I hiked up a mountain almost 2 miles.
Wow.
Next, I hiked back down.
One more.
Last, I dug for fossils and I got a mosasaur tooth.
That's really exciting. I'm
A
a
real
little,
one.
little jealous of your spring break. That's really exciting. Malcolm, thank you for raising your hand. Can you tell me 3 things you did?
If you say how was your spring break and there's a question mark, that means you have to say if it's good or bad.
You could, yeah, you can tell me if it's good or bad.
And I dove in the pool.
You mean use your transition words.
First, I went in the pool. Next, I did this. Then I splashed my family with water. Last, I went down in the water slide and I went coconuts
Good.
because it was kind of very slippery.
That sounds really exciting
And
too.
I was like, "Du, du, du."
Good job, Malcolm. Ala, can you tell me what you did on your spring break using your transition words?
First, I went swimming. Then, I went to my friend's house. Last, I went to the store.
Wow, good job, Ala. You guys use your transition words very well. Let's talk about it. We use our transition words for, just so we're not confused at all. Transition words help or link ideas, phrases, sentences, or paragraphs. Do we all understand what that means?
Yes.
Yes.
It means that there's an order to telling a story, right? And that if we use our transition words, it's easier to describe this order to our friends and to the people that are reading our stories, right? All right. Next, let's go through an example of a sentence we could write for in our journals, right? First, we went to the store to buy a fish. Then, we went home to set up a tank for the fish. Because we use our transition words, first and then, we know what order we did we know what order we're bringing our fish home and setting our tank up with.
Why
Right?
can't we get 10 pieces of candy?
That's a good question. We'll save that for after class. Mateo, what did we do first in this?
We went to the store to buy a fish.
Yeah, we did. Olive, what did we do second?
And we went home to set up a tank for the fish.
That's right. And we know this perfectly because of our words first and our words then. 1 second, Malcolm. Let's get through this last one and then we'll call on you, okay? Last, we want to find some of our transition words and figure out which ones are not transition words, right? Let's call this Find the Transition Word. Mateo, could you pick out one of our transition words here? Then, good job. Malcolm? First, good job. Ala, is dog one of them? No, it's not. Is last?
Yes.
Yeah, good job. Mateo, how about teacher? Is that a transition
That
word?
is definitely.
Definitely not. Malcolm, how about also? Yes, it is. Good using your
And next.
words and your actions. All right, perfect, guys. Now let's go ahead and write our sentences out, right? What we want you to do is write at least 3 sentences using your transition words, telling me all about your spring break. Just like you told me just now with your words, but now we just want you to write them down. Do that, and that'll be your exit ticket, and we can get to the next lesson. Yes?
Can I do more than 3 sentences?
If you do more, you'll get extra credit. Malcolm?
What if we do 10?
10? If you do 10 transition words with sentences, I'll give you extra candy.
And also,
All right, class, let's get started.
I had something to say after, another thing to say after that.